So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the problem Wooden Toys Festival. So the problem states that we are having some workers, there are three carvers who work there, and there are basically n peoples who will come to the particular festival, and they needs the ith person wants a toy having a particular pattern AI, and each of the carvers can choose integer between 1 to 10 to the power 9, and different carver can choose different pattern, and the wait time is just the maximum of x minus y, where x is the number chosen by the carver and y is the needed for the person I. So we have to assign the toys such that the carvers the maximum time is as minimum as possible. I hope you get the question clear. You should read it twice so that you get it clear. So moving on to the solution, I hope that you must know the algorithm in which suppose we have the number 6 5 5 6 7 and 11, and suppose if there was only one worker, so what could be the maximum or the minimum possible wait time? So we can assign the middle value of 5 and 11, that is 11 plus 5 by 2, that is 16 by 2 8. So we will assign 8 to x such that the it will be the minimum possible x minus y. So x minus y here comes out to be 8 minus 5, that is 3. So this value is basically the greatest number minus smallest number by 2, seal of v of I minus the first value, that is v of 0 by 2, the seal of this number whatever we get, because here we are getting 11 minus 5 by 2, that is 11 minus 5 is 6 by 2, so we are getting 3, right? If it is what 12, so the minimum x minus y will be 12 minus 5 by 2, that is 12 minus 5 is 7 by 2, it will be also 3, right? So this was for only if there was only one worker. So in the question we are given three workers. So what we can do basically, we can sort the array that is given to us, and we have to divide the sub arrays such that the three workers should get the minimum time as possible. So we can use binary search here. We can assign mid as our answer. We can check whether if mid is possible or not. We can use the standard algorithm to check whether mid is possible or not. We will start from this particular point, make it as v of 0. In this case, as we discussed earlier, 5 was our starting point, so we will make this as starting point, and we will iterate through the array and find at which particular point it is having the value mid plus 1, right? Means this particular value is not satisfying, we will see. So if at this particular point the value of v of I minus the starting point by 2 is greater than the mid, then we know that this particular subarray can't be possible. So we will make this particular subarray as the subarray which first carver will handle this, having the maximum waiting time will be mid, and similarly we will try with this particular starting point and go on doing this only. Means another from this starting point we will find the another point at which the waiting time is less than or equal to mid. So mid waiting time is just v of I minus the starting point by 2, seal of this number, and at last we will check whether this particular arrangement is possible or not by mid or not. If this particular arrangement is possible by mid, then we will decrement our lower bound by h is equal to mid minus 1. There are two variable in binary search, L and mid, so if that is possible we will decrement our h, otherwise if it is not possible we have to increase our subarray, that is L is equal to mid plus 1. So basically you should know this particular algorithm, like how should we use binary search and what's the how we can group the subarrays. I will show you the code. So it was a simple code. I have taken an input and sort the vector and initialized two variable h is equal to l is equal to 0 and h is equal to maximum value, and I am using the while loop. For mid, I am calculated the mid at the midpoint and initialize a variable count which will just denote how many subarrays we have found initially and denote the starting value as the first, and then I am iterating through the array and finding at which particular value the mid can't be formed. If starting current minus starting by 2 seal of it is greater than mid, then we can't form a particular subarray at this particular point having maximum waiting time as mid. So we will just assign that we have make a particular subarray from starting to the I minus 1, and we will initialize the starting as the current variable, and if count is less than 3, then only we can make this particular mid, and we will make h is equal to mid minus 1, otherwise l is equal to mid plus 1, and at the last we will return l. So this was all about the problem. I will put the link of the standard question in the description so that you can get understanding better. So this was all about the solution. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.